by hitting the Ionic steam gently in fine-grained skin, dead skin, and to help prevent contamination of the interior of the pores. Revitalization of the ion in power. Clean dirt in pores, skin Mote Aim. Easy at home, the best relaxation. Moisturizes the skin by the action of steam and ions, before and cleansing, massage, smooth your skin after cleansing using, plump. In the coming dry season, Ionikku facial steamer and make your skin moist. Easy to use, just turn it into the water. Use of the cleansing and before, it stands out clean dirt, while using massage, with effect from the skin that is warm, moisturizing your skin firmly with clean longer. Care is finished, because the pores are open, Nurimashou and put a lid on skin cream to prevent drying. Relaxation partly rewarded with tired at the end of the day. Weight, 950 grams. Size, 8.27 x 5.12 x 6.69 inch. Power consumption, 280W. Cord length, 59.06 inch. Get more info, please click link in below description and 50% discount offer available this product. Please subscribe this channel, get update more videos.